Thank you, viewers. There is today most important video for everyone, that is the solar panel project. How can you implement your project and solar panel systems? So it should be the very important for everyone. So the present situation is the solar panel dependent in the world wide. It is very important. So how you develop your project system, that is the solar panel project. So there is a step by step and full project including in here. How can you the step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4 you can complete your project system, that is load calculation, inverter selection, the battery selection, the solar panel selection. So first of all, I want to share what is the solar panel system. That is the, that there is the solar panel is called the silicon, and the two different layers, that is the n type silicon and the p type silicon. The solar panel operating is the pn junction. So the solar panel project steps, there is the four step in here to complete the project in solar system. That is the first step should be the first step load calculation, second step is the inverter selection, and third step the battery selection, fourth step is should be the solar panel selection. So the solar panel using the conductor is the copper, and typically the structure of the solar panel system is the six layer system, that is the glass, and the anti-reflection coating, then the metal grid, and the n type silicon, p type silicon, and the metal plate. It is structure of the solar panel system. That is the next. What can I do? The next, that is the the step 1. Now I can explain the step 1, that is the for example load calculations. For example the LED light 4 pieces, that is the 4 into 100, that means the 400 watt. The for ceiling fan 2 pieces, that means the 2 into 80 watt, that means the 160 watts. LED TV 1 pieces, that is the 1 into 400 of 40 watt, that means the 40 watts. Total load calculation, it should be the 600 watt. Okay, the next step on is the inverter selections. There's the inverter selection. There is the total load 600 watt, like a connected load, that is 800 watts. So but total load, it multiplication 1.5 is best. It's not 1.5, it will be 1.5. 1.5 is the base. So now the calculation is the AC load 800 watt, and DC volt it should be the 12 volts. So DC current requirement, that is the P is equal to V into I, and I is equal to P by V divided. It means that the 800 watt, that is the we consider the 800 watt, and the 12 is voltage DC volt, that means the 66.67 ampere. So 800 watt AC load purpose required DC current is the 70 ampere. That is the 70 ampere. Okay. Now the battery selection. The battery selection is the third step of this project. So formula is the our watt into hour, that is voltage divided by voltage. W is the total load for 800 watt, and AC is the backup time is for hour, and the V is the battery voltage for 12 volts. So now the 800 watt 8 into 12 divided by it should be the 533.33 ampere hour. That means the battery is standard in market for available the situation in these conditions, the 250 ampere hour. So required battery is for selection step 3, 250 into 3, that means 750 ampere hour required for your project system for 800 watt solar project system. So battery charging current required for the solar panel system, that is the charging current of 250 ampere hour battery is individual. If for one battery 250 into 10% into 3 battery, for multiplication for 3, that is total ampere for battery selection is the 2 to 5 ampere for battery charging current required for 3 battery. So now the last step, the solar panel, the pellet current, solar pellet currents, that is the battery changing current plus total load current, that is the 2 to 5 plus 70, that is 295 amperes for this 800 ampere solar project systems. So 800 watt solar project system. So the solar pellet required for power system, that is formula is V into I, that is the V into DC volt bar 12, and the 295 is current. That is the 3540 required for power solar panel power. So required solar panel is 3540 divided by 440. 440 means the watt. The individual solar panel watt = 440. That means the 8 solar panel required for your total 800 watt solar project system. So total panel required for 8 pieces. And the total system is for your, the system is that the 600 watt, it should be the 800 watt. If the connected load is 600, you must need to consider the 800. That means the 200 is extra. The watt for your load system, that is the inverter is 1200 watt, and the battery is 250 into 3 nose ampere hour, and the panel is 8 into 440 watt. That means the 8 pieces panel. So that is the total system for the project system for the solar panel system. So if you want to like this and choose this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for listening to me here today. Thank you so much.